Hello there, so I've teamed up with Majestic Wine to create this delicious smoked mackerel pate with olive oil snapbreads, and it's served with a really light and juicy Pinot Noir which worked incredibly well. So for this, all you need to do is chop up your cornichons, your dill, take the skin off your mackerel and remove any bones and flake that up, and then in a jug get your cream cheese, mackerel, dill, lemon juice, cornichons and blitz that up until you get to a nice kind of coarse pasty consistency. Get that in a bowl and then fold through some crème fraîche at the end to lighten it and to add a level of acidity. And then get it into a clean bowl, smooth it out, and then the leftover mackerel, you want to flake that over the top. Again, it's going to create layers of texture. Get the fresh sprigs of dill on top, and then a good amount of rapeseed oil or olive oil, and then a few cornichons and a couple of lemon wedges. Pop that to the side. And then start your olive oil snapbreads. So get your self-raising flour in a bowl, your olive oil, a little bit of water, and give this a mix together. You want a nice firm dough. It can't be sticky as it will be a nightmare to roll out. And then once this is sorted, you want to then pop it in the fridge and rest it for 15 minutes. It will make it easier to roll out and relax the dough. Roll it to the thickness of a 2p coin, get it on a baking tray lined with parchment, brush it with some water, and then sprinkle with some sea salt before baking it for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's crisp and crunchy. Look at that. And then serve this back with your mackerel pate. Absolutely delicious.